What's up, YouTube? Wanted to make a new video here showing my 2021 Toyota Tundra crewmax Cavalry blue. As you guys remember, I had a silver 2014 one that I recently traded in for this beauty. This one is a 5.7 liter V8, probably one of the last ones that we will be getting because the 2022 is about to drop. So I had to get a 2021 because I am a big fan of this engine, and I also loved the color of this truck. So you can see I have the exact same wheel setup, which is the Fuel Assault 20x9 offset 20, and they're wrapped around Middle Ridge grapplers 275/60 R20. Gives the truck a really nice stance. I'm working on the chrome delete right now, and I'm also going to add a hood scoop to it. Has all LEDs, fog lights and headlights. I recently changed the bulbs because it has the running lights, but I wanted to make and I really like the housing the way it comes with, so I decided to keep it, save a little bit of money, and it looks awesome. So you can see here it's the black housing. Beautiful TRD Sport grill that I just switched, and I will be replacing these bumper caps because I'm not a big fan of chrome. Let me show you the back. Came with factory color match bumpers, TSS sensors. Beautiful truck. Love Cavalry blue. Interior is really clean. Excuse the wirings. You can see it has the three USB chargings. TRD shift. The 8-inch screen. I changed the interior lights, the vanity and the dome lights into LED. Love this truck. Beautiful. I will be adding the cold air intake in the future. The TRD one, the same one I had on the 14. And as I said, I will be adding the hood scoop. As you can see, lots of space. Very clean. Love this truck. Got a great deal on it. Got a very good deal also for my trading value on my 14, thanks to the way I had it well taken care of. Got the tonneau cover, Tiger tonneau cover. I was able to keep that from my 14. So double exhaust. Got the true dual exhaust on it as well. As you guys can see, got a flow master there. I did that myself. It's welded down there, not going anywhere. Black tips. Awesome. Sounds great. The Super 40 is the one that I chose, and I love it. Got the shark fin 2021. Again, this is another look. I hope you guys subscribe to the channel. Let me know what you think. And as soon as I do any more mods, I will be posting it on my channel. Especially when I finish my chrome delete on the bumper caps. It should be coming any days now. So hood scoop is also coming up. Let me know what you guys think. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.